Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today is just a little video. I'm going to count my locks. I did do a lock count before. At this moment, I'm not sure how long ago that was. I want to say it was under a year, but I will look back at that video and I will link it above for you. And actually at this moment, I'm also not sure how many locks I said I had in that video. But again, I'm going to look it up and link it right here so you can check it out. It has been 20 months or so, 21 months, something like that, that I have been locked. There's been a couple times like under that year where I would have some locks kind of marrying together and I wouldn't realize till I started popping my locks and I'd be like, ooh, this one really got together. But that was only a couple of times. And then it occurred to me that maybe because I started with 2-strand twist, it occurred to me that maybe some of my twists came down and I did not know about it or something like that. But I can't be for certain. I don't know. So I'm doing a count right now. My daughter is going to help me. She's actually going to do most of the counting. So let's go ahead and hop right on into it. I'll show a little bit, of course, and then I'll speed it on up so we don't sit here through, 100+ locks. But anywho, that's what we are doing today. So let's do it. This is actually after we have them all bundled up and tallied, but I forgot to tell you to let me know down below how many locks you think I have. If you've seen the other video, let me know how many you think I have and you've seen it. Or if you haven't seen the other video, let me know how many locks you think I have. All right, back to counting. Okay, so we have 44s. We have 4 40s and 125. So we got 185. Again, 185, right? She did all the counting, so I'm just tallying it up. I think we had 183 in the last one. So maybe let me see, 183, if 1 split, 2 split? I don't know, or got counted wrong or something. Who knows? I don't know. But right now, when we counted today, we got 185. So, all right, so that is it. I will see you in another few days. You have anything to say? No. Thank you for helping me count. All right. Bye.